Alright, so ito na yung pandesal. Ay, ube cheese pandesal. And, nag-preheat na ako ng oven 365 degrees. Tapos, yung extra, ginawa ko siyang Spanish bread. So, gumawa ako ng ube cheese pandesal. Kasi, never pa ako nakatry. So, ang ginawa ko is, ginamit ko yung recipe ko for Spanish bread, for the dough. Tapos, sinuluan ko lang siya ng ube halaya. So, ito yung ube halaya. Kapuso, ube halaya. Pero, nung tinikman ko to, parang hindi ako nasarapan. So, na-weirdohan ako kung paano ang magiging approach sa paghalo sa pandesal dough ko. So, ang ginawa ko, nilagyan ko to ng butter, tsaka ube extract. So, malaman natin kung anong lasa. Ang magpapasarap dyan talaga ay itong Eden cheese. So, siya ang pinaka-favorite kong cheese sa balat ng lupa dahil madali siyang papakin. Anyway, so gumawa ako ng pandesal. Tapos yung Spanish bread na yan, pinapa-preheat ko yung oven. Antayin natin kung masarap talaga. So, balikan natin ang pagbablog ko later dahil hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung sasabi ko. Ayan na. Lagyan natin. Ingat-ingat. Baka makaso. So, time is 3:28. So, timer natin is, let's put it at safest 18 minutes. Alright? Balikan natin. Alright. So, dahil wala akong food coloring, basically, ayan lang yung color na nakikita ninyo na medyo hindi siya kaaya-ayang tingnan as ube, pero tingnan natin ang loob. Itong Spanish bread ko, ube style, is a little bit sunog dahil medyo manipis yung dough niya. Ito naman yung aking ube cheese pandesal. So, medyo hindi lang natin kakainin agad-agad. Medyo papalamigin natin ng konti at mamaya saksihan nyo ang aking pagbukas ng ube pandesal. So, ito na. Are you excited, guys? Let's do this. Let's do this. Still hot. Okay. So, this is the ube pandesal. Tingnan natin kung masarap.
This is gonna be the kitchen.
Ito munang pinakamaliit na bubuksan ko. So, ito na yun. Okay. Wow! Yum! Looks yummy! Looks successful! Come on! Come on! Let's taste this. Let's taste this.
Hi guys.
Siya nga pala si... What's your name?
Gavin.
Masarap. Mukhang masarap to. Teka lang. Tikman natin. Yeah. Do it. Let's just let them see how it looks inside. Wanna taste it? Hold it. Sarap.
Tastes good.
Tastes good?
Kinda tastes like pizza crust. But like sweet.
Masarap. Ayan. Natikman ko na rin ang ube cheese pandesal. Ba't parang ang dilim? So, ayan. So, I will definitely make a video on how to do this. So, as for now, I'll enjoy my ube cheese pandesal. Wait! Bago ko malimutan, tikman natin ang Spanish bread. The Spanish bread is actually made out of the regular dough that I use for Spanish bread, and I combined ube halaya. So, tikman natin. Hindi tayo mag-start sa maliit. Okay. So, this is the Spanish bread. Ooh. Look at that. So, ito yung loob. Okay? Tikman natin. Wanna try?
This is gonna be
Blow it, because it's... Hold it, kuya. Wait, taga-tikim ako.
Tastes the same, but with brown sugar.
How do you like it? Kuya, look. Kuya. Do you like it?
Do you like your Uber?
Ube flavor. Masarap! I like this better. Spanish bread with ube. Approve! Again, guys, I will make sure to post a video on how to do the ube cheese pandesal, my style, and also gonna share with you also the way that I did the Spanish bread with ube flavor. So, alright? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Bye-bye.